Hi friend, myself Verma sir from Verma Commerce Classes, Malad East, Mumbai. Today we will see how to solve the practical problem on a cost sheet of TYBCom. Now problem given like this: prepare cost sheet from the following data for producing 2500 calculator, means we have to produce 2500 calci. Raw material is given, direct wages is given. Okay, we will see later on. Okay. Raw material given 2 lakh rupees, direct wages 1 lakh rupees, printing and stationery 5,000, carriage outward 10,000, advertisement 20,000, like everything is given. Okay. Now see, yesterday in last video I introduced about the cost sheet. What is the direct cost and what is the indirect cost? Indirect cost means overhead, direct cost means prime cost, direct cost means प्राइम cost. प्राइम cost में those cost without which we cannot produce the goods, जिसके बिना माल बनाना पॉसिबल नहीं है, उसको हम डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट भी बोल सकते हैं और प्राइम कॉस्ट भी बोल सकते हैं. यहाँ पे मैं प्राइम कॉस्ट मोस्टली यूज करूंगा वर्ड. ठीक है. ओके. तो अब मुझे यहाँ पे देखना है कि कौन सी ऐसी चीजें जिसके बिना माल अपना नहीं बनता, कौन से ऐसे जो एक्सपेंस जो फैक्ट्री में लगेंगे, कौन से ऐसे एक्सपेंस जो ऑफिस में लगेंगे और कौन से एक्सपेंस रिलेटेड टू सेलिंग एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एक्सपेंसेस. ओके. नाउ लेट्स सी. Raw material, we know without raw material we cannot produce the goods, then it's a prime cost. Direct wages, without wages also, without labor also we cannot produce goods, then it's a prime cost. Yesterday we have seen printing stationery related to office, then it's office expense. You can write OA. OA means office and administration overhead. Carriage outward means it's a selling and distribution expenses. माल बेचने का भाड़ा है तो selling and distribution. एडवर्टाइजमेंट एवरीबडी नो इट्स अ सेलिंग एक्सपेंसेस. सबको पता है कि एडवर्टाइजमेंट माल बेचने के लिए किया जाता है, देन सेलिंग एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. फैक्ट्री एंड फैक्ट्री के नाम से पता चलता है कि फैक्ट्री का खर्चा है, इट्स एफओ. ऑफिस रेंट, इससे भी पता चलता है कि ऑफिस का खर्चा है, तो ओए. ओए मींस ऑफिस एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ओवरहेड. शोरूम एक्सपेंस से भी पता चलता है शोरूम माल बनाने के लिए होता है, नहीं बेचने के लिए होता है, देन सेलिंग एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. ऑडिट फीस मतलब सीए का फीस, तो सीए ऑफिस में काम करता है, ऑफिस का खर्च है ओए. डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस, ये तो मैंने आपको बताया स्टार्टिंग में, बिना मटेरियल के, बिना वेजेस के, बिना डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंस के माल नहीं बनता है. मोस्टली डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंस में आपका डायरेक्ट पावर, रॉयल्टी वो सब आता है, बट एग्जाम में नॉर्मली डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस दिया रहता है. दैट्स अ प्राइम कॉस्ट. सेल्स, फाइनली वी हैव टू सेल. एंड में हमको माल बेचना होता है, देन साइड में बॉटम. बॉटम मतलब सबसे लास्ट में, इसको लिखेंगे हम लोग. फैक्ट्री लाइटिंग, इससे भी पता चलता है फैक्ट्री का लाइटिंग मींस फैक्ट्री एक्सपेंसेस. एफओ, एफओ मींस फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड. ओवरहेड मतलब खर्चा ऊपर का. ओके ना, जो हमने टिक किया उसको कुछ मार्किंग कर लिया हमने, देन वी विल सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. नाउ दिस इज द फिक्स फॉर्मेट फॉर द कॉस्ट शीट. योर पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट रुपीज, टोटल रुपीज, सीपीयू. सीपीयू डिनोट कॉस्ट पर यूनिट. कॉस्ट पर यूनिट मतलब एक प्रोडक्ट बनाने का खर्चा कितना. ठीक है. वी हैव टू प्रोड्यूस 2500 यूनिट ऑफ कैलकुलेटर. इन कॉस्ट शीट वी हैव टू go by sequence. First we have to write prime cost, then we have to write factory overhead, then we have to write office and administration, and finally selling and distribution, and ultimately we have to write sales. Okay. Now first we have to write prime cost. Under the prime cost, look at PC. PC, where is the PC? We have written here raw material. Then direct cost, right here raw material. How much? 2 lakh rupees. We have to write in second column. Every item of prime cost we have to write in second column. Okay. Now where is the PC here? Yes, direct wages. Direct wages 2 lakh rupees. Sorry, 1 lakh rupees. Then where is the PC? Yes, there is a PC. Direct expenses. Direct expenses. What is the amount given? 10,000. Then add up all three. 2 lakh plus 1 lakh plus 10,000. Total will be 3 lakh 10,000. We have to call it prime cost. Prime cost. By adding all three items, always we have to add here prime cost. ओके, मेन खर्चा हो गया. देन वी हैव टू ऐड ऑफिस एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. इसमें क्या ऐड करना पड़ेगा? ऑफिस, सॉरी इट्स रॉन्ग, हमें ऐड करना पड़ेगा फैक्ट्री ओवर. क्या ऐड करना पड़ेगा इसमें? फैक्ट्री. जो पहले फैक्ट्री में माल बनाएंगे, बाद में ऑफिस में हिसाब किताब करेंगे, फिर उसको बेचने की बात करेंगे. ठीक है. देन ऐड हियर इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट. इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट मींस योर ओवर, ऊपर का खर्चा. इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट मीन्स ओवरहेड, ऊपर का खर्चा. In last lecture we have discussed about the direct and indirect cost. Okay, under the indirect cost, first we have to write factory overhead. Factory overheads. Look at what is given about the factory overhead. There is a factory rent and factory lighting. I think two items is given. Factory rent, amount of factory rent 10,000. Always write in first column, inner column. Then what is under the FO? Factory lighting. Factory lighting 5,000. Just only two item given. Item of every overhead we have to write in first column. Then take into outer column 10,000 plus 5,000, your total will be 15,000. Then add up in 3 lakh 10,000, 3 lakh 10,000 plus 15,000, 3 lakh 25,000. Okay. After adding office and factory overhead in prime cost, we will get work cost. Work cost, or you can say factory cost. This heading we have to do compulsory. Now after getting factory cost, माल बनाने तक का खर्चा अपने को मिल गया है. 3 बेसिक खर्चा था, उसमें फैक्ट्री का खर्चा, तो काम करने तक का खर्चा हमारा हो गया है. हाँ, अभी इसको बैठ के ऑफिस में हिसाब किताब करने का, जो भी माल बन गया उसका, तो ऑफिस में हिसाब किताब करने के लिए ऑफिस का खर्चा भी लगेगा. Then what is given under the office and administration overhead? There is a OAO, yes, printing and stationery. Then add here office and administrative overhead. OH means overhead. Look at what is given. Printing and stationery. Printing and stationery. I think amount is 5,000. Next, OAOA, office rent. Office rent 5,000. Anything else in office? Yes, audit fees. Audit fees. Again, audit fees 5,000. Nothing else in FO. Sorry, OA. 5,000 plus 5,000 plus 5,000, your total 15,000. Now 3 lakh 25 plus 15, your total will be 3 lakh 40,000. After adding office expense in work cost, we got cost of production. Cost of production. Always we have to add cost of production after adding office or in work cost. Then finally we have to add selling and distribution. Selling and distribution overhead or expenses. Now see in the problem what is given in SD. Selling and distribution, yes, carriage outward. Carriage outward 10,000. SD advertisement Advertisement 20,000. Anything else in SD? Showroom expenses. Showroom expenses 10,000. Nothing else. Now take into outer column 10,000, 20,000, 10,000, 40,000. Okay. Now 3,40,000 plus 40, it will be 3,80,000. After adding selling and distribution expense in cost of production, we will get cost of sales. Cost of sales. Or you can say total cost. Total cost. This is our final cost, total cost. Now 3,80,000 is our total cost. But sale is given. Finally sale is given. What is the amount of sale? Yes, there is a bottom sale. 5 lakh is given. Means we have to sell the product by adding the profit. There is 3,80,000 cost. Amount of cost price 3,80,000. We sold for rupees 5 lakh rupees. Then profit will be how much? It will be, I think, 1,20,000. Then add profit. Profit is not given the problem. You can write later. Then sale is given. Then write sale first. What is the amount of sale? 5 lakh rupees. Then deduct 3,80,000 from 5 lakh. 5 lakh minus 3,80,000, your balance figure will be your profit. 5 lakh minus 3,80,000, your balance figure how much, friend? 1,20,000. Means product of rupees 3,80,000 we sold for rupees 5 lakh rupees, our balance figure 1,20,000 is our profit. This cost sheet about the 2,005 unit of calculator. We have to see what is the cost per unit, what is the cost per unit, and what is the selling price per unit, and what is the profit per unit of calci. Look at how to solve it. Normally student will do 2 lakh divided by 2,500 unit, then 1 lakh divided by 2,500 unit, then 10,000 divided by 2,500. They have to use calci. 2 lakh divided by 2,500. Then average student will do like this, 80. Then again 1 lakh divided by 2,500, 40, 10,000 divided by 500, so 10,000 divided by 2,500, it will be rupees 4. But it will take a lot of time. It's a time consuming process. I'll give you can say like a software, or you can say like a method, or you can say formula how to calculate rapidly. This method is time consuming. Now look at here. By solving immediately, I write down here formula CPU equal to 1 divided by unit produced. Sorry. CPU equal to 1 divided by unit produced. Write in your calci 2 times symbol of multiplication. 1 divided by unit produced. Unit produced here 2,500 unit we have to produce here. 2 times symbol of multiplication. Put in your calci a multiplication symbol of 2 times. Write in your calci 1 divided by 2,500 multiply by 2 times. Then enter in your calci 2 lakh. Then use symbol of equal to. Continuously write 1 lakh equal to. After that 10,000 equal to, continue, you can write 10,000 equal to 15,000 equal to 3,25,000 equal to, continue like this, finally up to 5 lakh rupees you can write like this. Okay, continue. Let's try 1 divided by 2,500 in your calci. 1 divided by 2,500 symbol of multiplication 2 times. Okay, then write 2 lakh. We'll get 80 rupees here, and write here 80. Press continuously 1 lakh. We got 40 rupees. Then 10,000, 4 rupees. Right here 3 lakh 10,000, 124. Okay. Then 15,000, 6 rupees. Automatically we'll get our CPU 15,000, 3 lakh 40,000, 136, 40,000, 16, 3 lakh 80,000, 152, 1 lakh 20,000, 48 rupees, and finally 5 lakh rupees. It's a 200, which this cost sheet indicate that product of rupees 152 means calculator of rupees 152 we sold for rupees 200 and we get profit per 48, means per calculator we get profit of rupees 48. Okay friend, and here raw material cost per unit 80 rupees, means for producing a one calculator we have to use raw material of rupees 80, labor rupees 40, and direct expense rupees 4, means total cost 152 per calci. We sold for rupees 200, we will get profit rupees 48. Okay friend, thank you, bye bye.